Do these beans look like they are grown in water? That too in a very tiny pot, something like this. Well, they are grown in water and it's really very easy to grow beans in water. Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Here in this video you are going to see how easily we can grow beans in water. So let me show you everything step by step. Very first step, you can buy the beans either from market or you can also collect from your neighbor or friends. I have already bought them from the market. On second, going to use a plastic pot and it's a Swiggy food container actually. You can also see that I already made few holes and it's very easy to do. The distance between two holes is around ½ inch. On third, pouring just normal tap water and you can also take a look at the level of the water. Next, we can simply plant the beans. But before doing that, there are 4 important things to do. First, please avoid very thin stems and select somewhat thicker stems. For example, you can select the stem like the right one and you can neglect like the left one. Second, remove the lower leaves. On third, cut below a node. And finally, prune the top part so that new shoots are going to grow fast. Alright, we are done with everything and next thing is super simple. Simply insert all the stems and that's it. So guys, I am done with inserting all the stems and next I am going to keep the pot only in bright area, not under direct sunlight. Just after 15 days and here you can see beans are growing quite well. I can also see new growths on each of the stems. Till today the pot was only in bright area and from today onwards I am going to provide them 3 to 4 hours of morning sunlight. But again, before doing that, let's do another important thing and that is we are going to apply fertilizer. I normally use Growth Plus bioorganic fertilizer. It contains all the micro and macro elements and it's available on Amazon. The dose is 3 ml in 1 liter water. You can also use 5 ml if you like. Please also note that it's not a 100% hydroponic fertilizer and it may not work with all the plants, especially when you are growing in water. But for beans it works well. That's it, and next I am going to keep the pot in my balcony where it's going to get 3 to 4 hours of morning sunlight. So guys, this is the final result after 25 days and if you are agree with me, it's not looking like that I am growing these beans in water. I am really very glad that they are growing this way. Trust me, it's really very easy. For example, here are some more beans in a glass which are grown by my wife. She is keeping them in kitchen, no direct sunlight at all. That's why they are looking somewhat leggy and bit unhealthy. So now you know what's going to happen if we don't provide them direct sunlight. 2 more important things I would like to share here. First, see, using wider pot, something like glass is much better. It's because new sprouts grow from the bottom part as we can see here. And this is how beans actually spread whenever we grow directly in soil. So I would say my wife did better than me. Second important thing is, please note that mints are going to need lots of water on regular basis. So if you also use similar pot like me, then you would need to add water daily, and this is what I am doing. That's it guys, and this is all you need to know about growing mints in water. Now please allow me to harvest few mints for today's meal. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time. Enjoy, take care, and stay safe.
They grow from water. You can see the water is black because we put one day medicine. So we're going to put it back to grow a lot. When we grow, we need to put it a
Beliktab.
It's kind of silly, I almost see there. But this and this, almost the same color, but different size.
Like
This one is daddy's and that one is mommy's. And this one is mommy's and this one is daddy's.